Thank you for shopping at Thunche. If you want to buy chili sauce with chicken pickle, please visit our Thunche Siliguri or order online.